Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 10:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday, June 7, 2011. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Hanover, Dundalk, southern Grey County, and Owen Sound, Blue Mountains, northern Grey County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Hanover, Dundalk, southern Grey County, and Owen Sound, Blue Mountains, northern Grey County.
Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le sud. Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in that area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 10:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday, June 7, 2011. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Hanover, Dundalk, southern Grey County, and Owen Sound, Blue Mountains, northern Grey County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Hanover, Dundalk, southern Grey County, and Owen Sound, Blue Mountains, northern Grey County.
Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le sud.